What is your name? My name is
Hannah.
Say Hannah.
Hannah.
Bless.
Oi.
How old are you, babe? I am 2 years old. 2. Yay.
Guys.
Yeah. Are you Husay, babe?
Okay.
Husay, baby. B, where's your eyes, B? Where's your eyes? Eyes, very good. Where's your hair? Hair. Where is your fingers? Fingers. Where is your tummy? Tummy. Where's your tummy? There, tummy. Where's your neck? Very good. Where is your feet? Very good. Where is your shoulder? Shoulder. Where is your teeth? Where is your tongue? Where is your ears? Ears. Very good. Where's your ilok? Ilok. Where's your hand? Hand. High five. Where is your knees? Knees. Yeah, that's your knees. Where's your baby? What's the name of your baby? Huh? Baby only?
Baby.